Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of opulence as we explore the top 10 luxury destinations for 2024. Whether you're dreaming of a glamorous beach escape or a sophisticated city retreat, we've got something for every luxury traveler. So, sit back, relax, and let's embark on this exquisite journey together. Starting off at number 10, we have the stunning Amalfi Coast, Italy. Known for its breathtaking views, charming villages, and crystal-clear waters, the Amalfi Coast offers luxurious beachfront villas, world-class dining, and unmatched Italian elegance. Enjoy a private boat tour along the coast, or unwind in a 5-star resort overlooking the Mediterranean. At number 9, we're heading to the Maldives. This tropical paradise is renowned for its overwater bungalows, pristine beaches, and azure lagoons. The Maldives offers some of the most exclusive resorts in the world, where you can enjoy private dinners on the beach, personalized spa treatments, and unparalleled underwater experiences. Coming in at number 8 is Kyoto, Japan. Kyoto blends traditional Japanese culture with luxury in a way few destinations can match. From elegant ryokans and tranquil gardens to exclusive private tea ceremonies, Kyoto provides a serene escape that's both culturally enriching and lavish. Number 7 on our list is the glamorous Monaco. This tiny principality is synonymous with luxury, from the famous Monte Carlo casino to the prestigious Formula One Grand Prix. Monaco offers high-end shopping, Michelin-starred restaurants, and luxury yachts, making it a playground for the elite. At number 6, we have Santorini, Greece. Santorini's dramatic sunsets, whitewashed buildings, and stunning caldera views make it a top luxury destination. Enjoy a stay in a cliffside villa, dine at upscale restaurants with panoramic views, and indulge in private yacht excursions around the island. Number 5 on our list is the vibrant city of Dubai, UAE. Dubai is known for its incredible architecture, lavish shopping malls, and extravagant experiences. From the iconic Burj Khalifa to luxury desert safaris and opulent beach resorts, Dubai is a city where the extraordinary is the norm. At number 4, we're visiting Paris, France. The City of Lights remains a timeless luxury destination with its world-class fashion, gourmet cuisine, and elegant accommodations. Stroll down the Champs-Élysées, stay in a palatial hotel, and savor fine dining at Michelin-starred restaurants. Number 3 is the exclusive Bora Bora, French Polynesia. Known for its turquoise waters and luxurious overwater bungalows, Bora Bora is a dream destination for those seeking ultimate relaxation and romance. Enjoy private island picnics, snorkeling in vibrant coral reefs, and spa treatments with ocean views. Coming in at number 2 is New York City, USA. The Big Apple offers an unparalleled luxury experience with its high-end shopping on Fifth Avenue, Broadway shows, and iconic luxury hotels. Experience the best of fine dining, world-class art, and exclusive events in this bustling metropolis. And finally, at number 1, we have Sydney, Australia. Sydney is a vibrant city with stunning beaches, iconic landmarks like the Sydney Opera House, and a thriving luxury scene. Enjoy a stay at a waterfront hotel, dine at acclaimed restaurants, and explore the beautiful harbor and nearby wine regions. And there you have it, our top 10 luxury destinations for 2024. Each of these places offers its own unique blend of elegance, comfort, and unforgettable experiences. Let us know in the comments which destination you'd love to visit. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest luxury travel content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.